Okay, I forgot the peach. So now finally you have it. And after the pinks, you got the blues, which I just unstacked. And then we got the browns, which for some reason I made a lot of brown paper boats, even though I don't like the color brown a lot. It's probably my second least favorite color after pink. But I don't know why I have so much brown paper boats. Okay, there. And now after that, we're gonna move on to the even smaller paper boats. Now these were made out of sticky notes, that's why they're even smaller. But these ones that I've stacked, these mini ones I've stacked, they're made out of the colored paper. And so that's why these ones are smaller. So we're gonna stack this pink one. And then these pink ones. And then this yellow one. I think this yellow one was not made out of sticky note. And then I made the boat from it. The mini version. I have Georgie on it. And now you'll probably think that it's done, but no. Here I have the world's smallest paper boats. But the smallest one is this green one. And the biggest one is this one. So these are the world's smallest paper boats getting stacked. They're way too hard to see from afar. That's why the camera has to be close. And that is it. It is all of my, well, not all of the paper boats I've ever made in my life, but of yesterday and today. These are all of the paper boats. Have you ever seen these such paper boats? Well, you probably haven't. And that's it for this video. Bye!